We now want to calculate the minimum of the total cost function. And the total cost function depends on the variable q. The others are parameters. So the total cost function is equal to d over q times s plus q over 2 times h. Now, to get the minimum, we need to take the first derivative towards q. We build the first derivative to q. Of course, you also see the notation frequently where there's just a dash, tc dash. I chose this notation to indicate that we take the first derivative of the total cost function for the variable q. And the first derivative is minus d over q squared times s plus h over 2. And now to get the minimum, we set this equal 0. At this point we get the q where the derivative of the cost function is 0, and this is the minimum point. Now what do we need to do? We need to turn around this equation and solve it to q. The first step could look like this: q squared equals 2 times d times s over h. Then we need to take the square root of q, and this gives us our economic order quantity. This is the point q where the total cost function is minimum, and we call this the economic order quantity. And it's q, I indicated it by the star to indicate that this is the economic order quantity, the point where the total cost function is minimum, therefore q star equals the square root over 2 times k times d over h. And this is how you calculate the economic order quantity.